Good morning. It's Thursday morning and this is where I stayed last night. Albergue means hostel, pilgrim hostel. Albergue de Peregrinos, Albergue Villadangos. That's where I stayed. Bit rainy this morning, but it stopped raining, so I'm gonna head off now. I'm walking to village about 26 kilometers away. Please God I can make it to the next stop. All the best. Don't think I'd want to mess with these guys. God loves the size of them. Good job there's a glass pane between the two of us. Bit of bad weather now. Walking. I've done about 7k, and the lorries are keeping me going because I give them the old salute and they beep the horn. So it's the small things like that that keep you going on the Camino. All the best. How you doing, folks? It's Thursday and it's 10:30 in the morning. Thankfully, I am arriving at the halfway point of today's walk. It seems early for halfway, but apparently this is the easiest section of today. So I've done about 14 kilometers and another 14 to go, but I'm going to be relaxing here for a bit. Might do a video. I'm thinking about doing a video about funny sort of dangerous things that have happened during the Camino, so watch this space. Hey folks, I've arrived at Hospital de Orbigo and I am absolutely delighted. It was a bit of a monotonous sort of journey this morning. I left around 8:15. It's now 10:30 and I'm at the halfway point of today already, which is pretty cool. But apparently this section was the easiest, so I did about 14k and I'm gonna stop in this town and I'm gonna have a drink and chill out and then continue on my way. It's another 14k to go, so today's a pretty long day, 28 kilometers, but just want to say thanks a million to all the support. I just checked the justgiving.com site last night and there's more donations from parents of pupils and things, so thanks a million, really appreciate it. All the best.
Hi Alan, we are with famous. I am the Queen, Urraca Primera from León.
Hello, I'm Don Suero de Quiñones. Hello to everyone in Ireland. Yay,
Buen Camino!
Hey folks, I'm just about to head off walking again, but I just thought I'd take a video and show you the wonderful chicks that are here. This is obviously, I don't want to disturb them too much, but this must be, oh, look at the chicks. So cute. All the best. Yeah, so it's starting to lash rain, but I'm still enjoying it and still making friends. Just talking to two Czech young lads there. They're doing the Camino from Leon to Santiago, or to Finesse, actually, that's further than Santiago. So shout out to the Czech. All the best. Some parts of the Camino are quite dangerous. I gotta cross this this road to get over there, and it's quite busy. So just be careful, guys. If you do the Camino, you need to keep your wits about you. On. Yeah. Oh, hello. They don't speak English. Hola! 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 Oh. It's nice to have a bit of company along the way. Yeah, so getting quite tired a little bit, but these dogs seem to keep me going. It almost seems like they're saying, follow me. This is the way to Santiago. Yeah. So I'm not following them, but they seem to be leading me. No! Get in off the road. After. Hola, senor. Oh God, love us. Oh, they nearly died. These amigos are lost. They seem to want to follow me. There you go. 2 guides, would you believe? They've been walking with me now for probably at least 5 kilometers. No collars. And they just seem to want to wee and chill and walk. So yeah, I'm following them. Also the signs though. They're having a great crack. Tails wagging. I think this is when they realise they're too far from home. They've been following me. Adios, amigos. Bye bye. No, don't follow me. You need to go home. You need to go home. Oh. Yeah, they seem like they're lost. They got no collars and followed me. I didn't lead them. So yeah, these doggies, Madras, have been chaperoning me for the last maybe 8 kilometers now. And they just seem to be guardian angels. Wherever I go, they go and away from me. Look, I'll walk on now and watch what happens. See? No, no! Oh, amigo! No! Amigo! No! Yeah, sometimes they go into the road, which isn't good considering. Right, folks, it's getting a bit unpleasant, the weather, but I'm not complaining because I prefer this than the heat. So I feel at home. It's lashing rain. And I'm about 10 kilometers away from the next town. I don't mind. It's keeping me cool. Oh. God love us and save us. What I found is the last 10 kilometers of each day feels like 50 kilometers. I've walked about 4 kilometers in the last hour that I did stop, but it just feels like, I suppose you get tired, and then you kind of, the last bit is the hardest slog. Anyway, I just got a phone call from East Coast FM. I'm going to be on the radio. This is a bit of a shout out to a student of mine. Well, he's now graduated just this year. Jack, if you can see this and you're listening, this is where I've left a postcard for you, and a little surprise in terms of, you'll probably be tired by the time you get here. This is about 550 kilometers into the 800, so hopefully it'll spur you on. Maybe a postcard won't spur you on, but yeah, so this is kind of where you need to look out for if you want to receive it. I've spoken to the two barmen actually, to make sure they know that you're coming to collect it. I said in about 3 or 4 weeks time. That's the name of the street, and this is the bar. It's called Bar El Cano. That's it there. And yeah, if you go inside, they'll have something for you. All the best, God bless. Alright folks, my legs are gone like jelly, and I'm not liking the look of this. I have to go with this. It may seem easy, but not for me at this stage. I'm just coming into town, end of day Thursday, and oh God, love it since The name of the town I'm in is Astorga, A-S-T-O-R-G-A, Astorga. And yeah, it's a lovely town. And before I go to my lava, my bed, I'll give you a look at the cathedral. Good night.